Hello boys and girls. Today I'm going to be showing you a quick tutorial on how to submit your assignment for the Graphing Speed activity. So once you are in lesson 5, there are 2 different ways that you can submit your assignment. But before we submit our assignment, I want to just reiterate, please make sure that you review your rubric criteria and make sure that all key components are at a level 5. To submit your assignment, click on Submit Assignment button. Under Resources, on the left-hand side, you will see a section that says Apps. If you have created a forced copy document that I have shared under Updates, you will be able to easily upload your assignment from your Google Drive. If you're doing this for the first time, you will need to allow permission for your Google Drive to sync. So, once your Google Drive is attached, you can go ahead and click on your assignment. So here you will see your lesson assignment. You can search for your assignment under the Google Drive bar. Click on the assignment that you would like to import. Once you have checked it, click Import and import file. Here it'll take a few seconds to load and you will see that your assignment has submitted. If you have saved it to your desktop, you can still do it the previous way that I showed you, which is to go to File, Save, make a copy or download through Microsoft Word and save it to your file. Once you've saved it to your file, you can then go to your assignment, and this File button will allow you to search your desktop. Once you have located your assignment, go ahead and click Open. This will take a few seconds to upload as well. Then click Submit.